Thank you for selecting Knowvation as your geospatial content management system of choice. I am sure that as soon as you begin using Knowvation, you will be totally amazed at the capability and ease of use that you are provided. Knowvation GS is a 100% browser-based multi-int content management and discovery solution specifically designed to manage not only huge varieties of geospatial formats, but many other data types, including full-text documents such as PDF and MS Word files, as well as video and other multimedia formats. Knowvation GS provides the analyst raw power and sophisticated full-text, metadata search, and browse capability of Knowvation's core system, along with the geospatial discovery and mapping capability of Google Earth and Esri. Simple tools allow the users to perform quick text searches and immediately discover the geospatial relevance of queried data, or alternatively use geospatial tools to graphically discover sought-after data. As you will see in the following tutorial, Knowvation will make your computer come alive with the touch of your mouse. The following sections provide an introduction to capabilities of Knowvation GS. We will cover Knowvation interfaces, Knowvation search, Knowvation browse, and myware. Knowvation GS comes standard with 4 query interfaces, as well as a geographical map interface. The basic interface provides a Google-like search box, is defaulted to a pattern search mode, which is most forgiving, and is designed as a starting point for entry-level analysts. The advanced interface provides 100% of the power and capabilities of Knowvation and is routinely used by experienced analysts. The geospatial map interface supports both Google Earth and all the Google Earth tools. Also supported are multiple Esri map interfaces to provide for a variety of analyst requirements. In this section, we will cover Knowvation GS Search. Knowvation provides for multiple capabilities to search, including full-text searching, metadata search, as well as a combination of both. The Search For, or any word Search For box, allows the analyst to include powerful searches that will be performed across both metadata as well as the index text in any document. Knowvation provides pattern, concept, and Boolean searching, as well as the capability to search across metadata records at the same time that full-text searches are being performed. We will first perform a pattern search for Dufour Village. The search results provided includes a relevancy ranked hit list that includes metadata as well as thumbnails and provides hits in both the metadata as well as in the full text content of the document. Notice that Darfur was incorrectly spelled as Dufour, and the powerful pattern search engine also returned a hit for the incorrect spelling of village. Next, we will switch Knowvation GS to search in concept search mode. Concept mode allows the analyst to expand the search terms and search for thoughts or ideas and not just the exact words that are being searched. We will first perform a search for trading ganja for guns. After a hit list is presented, we select the first document using our marquee zoom tool and zoom in on the document. We can see that the hit highlighting capability gets a hit on trade as well as guns, but also expands our search terms ganja to marijuana using our 1 million plus word concept dictionary that comes standard with our product. Knowvation has a host of other tools that will be explained in the user training tutorial that include emailing and printing, the hit list, saving result sets, exporting data, and some administrative tools such as global edit, global replace, global deletion, as well as document and imaging conversion tools. Searching Knowvation using metadata is easy. Simply enter data in the appropriate metadata field and press search. Metadata queries can be entered in as many fields as required and are often used to limit full-text queries. Metadata fields can be constrained using a drop-down or entered free-form depending upon how the field was configured. In this search, limiting the query to the collection of Carter results in 34 hits. Further limiting the search by meta format to image reduces the results to 22. Adding another metadata field constraint by typing Doha under the title field reduces the results to 5. This concept is used to limit the number of results from millions to a reasonable number. Metadata queries can be combined with full-text searches to constrain unstructured text searches, allowing Knowvation GS to pinpoint the information you're looking for. The real sophistication of Knowvation GS becomes apparent when the power of its full-text search is combined with Google Earth and Esri geospatial interfaces. Geospatial interfaces can be used in two different ways. The first allows for a geospatial location of data to be presented after a standard text or metadata query has been performed by using global button located the top right side of the toolbar. Once performed, Knowvation GS utilizes all the data input when the first query was performed, but adds a geospatial query and displays the results in the Google Earth or the Esri Map interface. Once the data is displayed on Google Earth or Esri Map interfaces, additional query data can be added or modified, and the search can be repeated. The keyword Doha is now added, and the search is repeated using the same geospatial data, but limiting the keyword information. In addition to just keyword information, a host of other data can be added to refine the search by filling in the metadata fields on the toolbar. At this point, the analyst can select a hit visually using the mouse. If more than one object is located in close geographical proximity, red dots will allow the analyst to select the object of interest. The document will be highlighted in the lower panel, and a small pop-up for the document will appear as well. Next, to zoom in all the way, the analyst selects the globe icon and the overview panel. Also in the panel is a portion of the metadata associated with that document. A star icon which allows the user to add the document to MyWhere, and a link to the document which allows the user to launch the object for viewing. The second method to utilize Knowvation GS's geospatial capabilities is by utilizing graphical tools to input latitude and longitude using the mouse. After the spatial data is entered with the mouse, other limiting data can also be added. In this case, we will add the keyword church to the query. We can utilize Google tools to display terrain, roads, borders, and buildings. We can also select the globe icon to zoom to the church location and view the digital object. In this case, the object is a video. Knowvation GS is a digital object agnostic and can discover and retrieve any digital file. Knowvation was designed to provide the capability for content to be managed both visually and hierarchically. At the highest level, if the content management system is properly maintained, an analyst can quickly determine types and/or domain areas of data that exist in the system. As we browse down the organization of an IED digital repository, the first level has over 15 subfolders, and the analyst chooses to pursue land survey and linked documents. The analyst can browse through the hierarchy to determine the types and categories of data available. Browsing down to that next level, documents, the analyst is able to discover information visually based upon the hierarchy of data developed by the system creator. Selecting documents, we find an assortment of photographs and documents on the topic. There are 4 options for changing the results display when selecting the icons at the top of the screen. MyWhere allows users to set up their own Knowvation GS account. MyWhere saves and displays search history. MyWhere also allows users to define and save queries or areas of interest and transmit these as alert notifications. MyWhere saves favorite documents and provides standing order alert notification status. The main MyWhere tab allows the analyst to save simple or complex queries. Once a query is performed, it is displayed in the MyWhere Searches panel. To save the query, select the star icon associated with the recent search which you would like to save. Once saved, the analyst can decide to configure the system to run these queries automatically when new data is ingested. The results are provided via email or FTP based upon the criteria selected in the Delivery Preferences section of the User Account Preferences panel. Saved queries that have been designated to automatically push data to an analyst via email or FTP are called standing orders. Another MyWhere feature is saved documents. There is a star icon to the left of the document name when you are in the column, row, or thumbnail view. If you are in the document viewer, there is a star icon at the top of the panel. Once the document is added, it can be retrieved by selecting the document link on the Advanced Search panel under the MyWhere Folder section, selecting the folder the document is saved into, and then selecting the link. Note that the document or digital content is not moved or copied, as Favorite Documents is really a data repository of favorite links. Regardless of your mission, Knowvation GS will effectively support your geospatial content management requirements by efficiently discovering a wide variety of ingested data in many domain areas, to include GeoInt, SIGINT, and open source intelligence. Knowvation efficiently manages big data requirements and provides document, image, and media exploitation of information with or without geospatial relevance. Knowvation will make your computer come alive with the touch of your mouse.